Introducing the DWE 7499GD job site table saw with guard detect system. This system is designed to warn the user when the blade guard is not installed on the tool. When the blade guard is properly installed, the saw operates normally. However, for cuts that cannot be made with the blade guard in place, the user must activate the bypass switch in order to start the table saw. The DWE 7499GD job site table saw by DeWalt. All the performance and capacity you would expect from DeWalt with the added benefit of the guard detect system.
The 366022 has arrived, the latest edition of Delta's 6000 series table saw line. The 6022 features shop-grade power and big saw fence design in a portable package. Plus, it's two saws in one, a folding stand portable saw or a box saw. The 15-amp commercial-grade motor with heavy-duty bearings has the power to rip quarter-sawn wood and durability to last for years. The telescoping rail system with T-square fence is super accurate and offers easy one-hand convenience. With a 30-inch right rip and 12-inch left rip capacity, the 6022 offers capacity typically available on saws costing much more. The unique folding design lets you move your saw where the job takes you. The cross handle adds strength and convenience during folding and transportation. The UL-approved three-way guard system moves up and down with the blade and never interferes with your cuts. The riving knife separates wood after the cut and adjusts easily with a quick-release lever. You'll appreciate the locking bevel height control in one unit for locking in cut angles, and the 2.5-inch dust port makes it easy to attach a shop vacuum. The tubular cage design with extendable outfeed support is strong enough to handle heavy sheet goods, while the coated tabletop lets work pieces slide across the table. 2 inches higher than previous models, the work height will feel even more comfortable for most users.
I was really pleased with the way the saw performed. The ease of setting it up, and the accuracy of the T-square fence, it made precise, accurate cuts. And whether you're a professional like myself or a homeowner, you can count on a perfect cut each time.
Compare features and you'll choose the 366022 with the Delta 5-year warranty that protects your purchase.
Introducing the Skill Saw 10-inch heavy-duty worm drive table saw with stand, featuring a Diablo blade. The latest addition to Skill Saw's powerful worm drive table saw lineup. Skill Saw's legendary worm drive powertrain delivers all the torque to tear through plywood and 4x with ease. Skill Saw's patented dual field motor runs cooler so it can work harder, longer. Make quick fence adjustments with the rack and pinion fence system. And a left side support helps you manage extra large stock. Keep dust under control by attaching a vacuum to the dust chute, or use the dust elbow to direct it into a bucket for easy disposal. The rugged stand features 16-inch wheels allowing you to roll over stairs and rough job site surfaces. The saw sets up and folds with the push of a lever and can easily load into a truck bed. Optional dado insert, zero clearance insert, and rear outfeed accessories exclusively made for this table saw are sold separately. The 10-inch heavy-duty worm drive table saw with stand comes with Skill Saw's Stay True guarantee. Try it for 180 days. If you're not satisfied, we'll give you your money back. Skill Saw's 10-inch heavy-duty worm drive table saw with stand. When the work stacks up, let it rip. Visit skillsaw.com for more information.
Quick cuts, always sloppy. Detailed cuts, too hard to set up. Ordinary table saws, big costs, and zero portability. Here's a better idea, a workshop that's portable. It's the all-new Rockwell Blade Runner X2, the go-anywhere, cut-anything compact table saw. It's lighter weight than the original Blade Runner, but has more cutting capacity for wood, metal, plastic, and even tile. With blades on board and blade changes in less than 3 seconds, Blade Runner X2 will slice your work time, delivering professional results lightning fast. Plus, you can control the cut with 2 hands for amazing accuracy and connect a vacuum for mess-free cuts. The all-new Blade Runner X2. Anytime, any place. We came, we sawed, we conquered. The affordable workshop for everyone and everywhere. Get your Blade Runner X2 today.